Hi guys, this is Phoebe and
Monica here.
Welcome to our channel. We're Crazy Thursday and we would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout. So we have Monica again here today. This is another video of our Yashik series, Midnight Snack. And we all know what our favorite midnight snack is. Ice cream! Ice cream, you scream, we scream.
For ice cream, yay!
Yes, we've got our hands finally on this hookimja ice cream. It's black sesame. We wanted to try this out for so long, but we couldn't get our hands on it, right? But finally we found this at the convenience store and we brought it right with us. So let's get the ice cream out first. Woo! So black sesame is a very popular kind of flavor. So we usually sprinkle this in our food. I guess this brand decided to turn this into an ice cream.
Oh, it looks so good.
Yeah.
Well, there's actually a lot of sesames in here.
Yeah, there's like real sesame seed in there. Ooh, you're gonna go for that one. Guys, do you remember this? And it helps us to get bigger like this. Wow. Okay, it's gonna burp. Whoa. Oh my god! This is the 달고나 that we always have this in front of our schools when we were like teens, right?
Oops, it broke the star.
Oh!
Too bad.
You know you're not supposed to break it, right?
Oh yeah.
If you want to get a freebie, you're not supposed to break the shape. Woo! My ice cream is oozing out. Cheers!
Cheers.
Mmm. The ice cream is really gosoe. What's gosoe in English?
Kind of like nutty.
Mmm. So, because it's black sesame, obviously. And this cracker is not sweet at all. So it goes really well. Okay, I'm gonna finish this because it's melting.
The ice cream is like oozing out
Mm.
of the holes in the cracker.
I wonder how they made this color.
I think they ground some sesames, maybe.
I don't think in like Western countries, like, is there a flavor that's colored gray?
Cookie and cream.
Oh yeah.
yeah.
They were so dumb. Cookie and cream actually has this kind of color.
This kind of reminds me of the pistachio gelato
Ah.
that we used to have.
Oh my god. So Monica and I, we went on a Europe trip.
A sophomore year in college.
Sophomore, yeah. And we traveled to like, how many, I think we traveled to like 6 different countries.
Yeah.
We started off in Germany, Frankfurt, and then we went to Munich.
Heidelberg, Austria for one day. We were at Salzburg.
And Vienna, right?
No, we didn't go to Vienna.
Oh. I thought we went to Vienna.
Same trip, different memories.
I was so annoyed when we were in Austria because like I think we went there on a weekend and the store closed at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
And we were like, what the heck?
We couldn't get dinner.
Yeah, because us being Koreans, like we're so used to having all the stores open until like 10, especially on the weekends because that's when everybody goes out, right? And then we went to Switzerland.
And then Italy.
Oh,
Where
in
we
Italy.
had so much gelato.
In Italy, we were in the canal city. What's that called? I can't remember. Venice.
Florence. We were in Milan for a day. Rome for 1 week.
The catacomb was really impressive, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the catacomb is like basically a tomb. Did we go to? Oh, we went to. Oh, and then wait.
To Nice.
Okay,
and then
yeah.
it was Paris because everybody was shocked at how tan we got.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
Reached
yeah.
Paris.
So guys, you were talking about pistachio gelato.
Yeah, but
Okay,
we
we got
have
carried away.
But we're counting
Sorry.
our countries. After France, we were at Spain, right?
Yeah.
So.
That was our last country.
Oh yeah, it's kind of like pistachio. Pistachio is a nut, right? I think that's why it has that similar like richness and creaminess to the ice cream. Oh, I think I'm lucky today. Almost a star. Oh, if you hadn't broken it, Monica,
Oh yeah.
it would have been a
sorry.
perfect star, guys.
So just in case some of you are wondering where we can get this, you can easily get it in the convenience stores in Korea.
And we'll link it below if we find other links where you can get it overseas. So, what was your favorite thing in Europe?
My favorite part was getting to try a bunch of different
Gelatos.
gelatos, obviously, and food. What was your favorite food?
I think it was a pizza that we had in Italy.
Oh, for me, It was the sangria that we had in Spain.
Okay,
It's
that's not a food. That's a drink. Oh my god, though, like Monica, like she wasn't that good at drinking back then. So we ordered this like whole pitch of sangria, and she had like one glass, and I had to finish the whole thing. So when we went to Casa Patio, it's the Gaudi building. Apparently the building's supposed to look like waves, but I could actually like see the waves coming at me because I was so drunk by the time we got to the Casa Patio.
She was so happy.
So I was like,
The
oh
whole
my god, I
tour.
can actually see the waves. Rachel, what was your favorite thing? She did a study abroad in Milan.
I guess my favorite part was
Making Korean food. Like when we FaceTime her, she was like always on the hunt for kimchi. She was like, I need to find kimchi to eat with my pork bellies. And I was like, girl, you're in Milan.
well, there was this really big Chinatown in Milan, so I went there for like every other week and got kimchi.
The Italians were really strict about us not being able to take tours in the cathedrals during like service days. But like the French were so chill about it, because like, do you remember when we went to the Notre Dame before it burned down? It was a Sunday and they were having service, but we could just still walk around the place. So it was kind of weird. Oh, and in France, this like 40-year-old, I think he was 40, right? This 40-year-old French guy hit on me.
Oh yeah. He took you to this really nice seafood restaurant.
Oh my god, I didn't remember. I don't remember that. Did I tell you that?
Yeah, because I went to meet my high school French teacher.
Oh yeah.
And then I was like, so where have you been? And you were like, oh, I made a new friend.
Oh my god, I was so gullible back then. I was like, we're 20, right? I think we're 20.
Yeah, 20.
We
21.
weren't even 21.
Yeah.
So.
Then he asked you for your email address.
Oh my god.
Did you give it to him?
Did I? Oh, I think I did. He kept on sending me emails, but I don't think I returned any of
Okay,
them.
this is not going on.
Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed our midnight snack. It was black sesame ice cream, hookimja ice cream. I already finished mine, and she's almost done. So I hope you had a good time today as well.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Oh my god, she was like, she answered me after like 3 seconds, meaning that she did not have a good time.
Because I was still having my ice cream in my mouth.
Yeah. Whatever. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Please give us a thumbs up and also press that subscribe button. And also let us know in the comments if you enjoyed our yashik, our black sesame ice cream. And I hope you can enjoy it with other snacks as well. We tried it with crackers and our 달고나, which was the sugar candy. So this is Phoebe and
Monica
from Crazy Thursday. Hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.